Okay, man. This is it right here. We're gonna start up the Chevelle one more time before we get the other cars going. We're gonna go put the red car, that Ray. We're gonna turn it on. Ya. Ya vamos. Ready? Here we go. Dude. Let's get going. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Julian.
What's up?
On cameras.
Camera duty.
Set.
Go.
Man, we gotta do this rápido.
Super Sport.
You're gonna. My God.
Super Sport.
Yeah, it's not fake like the. There's no fake like the people.
Look at this one.
Some people on Craigslist actually have SS. So.
Got in my ear.
We're gonna go over there.
Oh,
Keep going with the Ray. We'll come back and close this up.
Let's see what's behind door number 2. So stand and reel it.
Take that off, Saskia.
That man go help this guy.
We're gonna get the battery off on this one, Julian. We're gonna take the battery off and we're gonna put it on that other one.
Go back to where like this. Whoa, what is this? Hey people? Oh, I thought this thing was actually great, but not really dirty. I mean, I didn't wash it. I should have. This is the only thing I cleaned. This door. Even though it got a little dirtier.
You got the keys for this one?
Oh,
No, I don't.
You know where they're at?
Yes, I do.
Now these the handlebars are smooth to open.
Got the Corvette headers.
I need to
For
put the
red
batteries
headers,
in.
4 intakes on that. First.
Mighty Ferocious.
Mighty.
Oh no, wrong one. I mean,
Look at the
this one's
tires
Mighty
still
Ferocious.
Have some. Oh my. There's unwrap it. I'll unwrap it right now.
Oh, that one is second.
Head to head, man.
Just remember what I said about these things. Oh man.
Oh yeah, you're mad.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah, double spoiler today.
Both of them.
I mean, double the front.
With a bumper.
This guy comes from the front.
Yep.
Baldy, come on.
These doors are smooth opening now.
Let's see how smooth go.
Black with negative, red with.
Oh, how about if it opens all the way?
No, Julian.
Not closer.
Remember always that the black goes to the negative and the red goes to the positive. You want to make sure you don't mess that up. The positive is the one with the plus. Anyways,
Really smooth.
make sure no metal hits into the post of the battery, otherwise you're gonna make a spark that's gonna make some really ugly damage. I don't know, I haven't started this car in 3 years now as well, just like the Chevelle. 3 years without starting these cars, but we're gonna start it up today, just to start it up. So let's find out.
You weirdo.
Here, let's see. I hope I don't have a hard time like the Chevelle.
Does this one even have gas?
I think so.
Hey, watch out.
I never heard this one. This one might blow up on my face.
You guys moved the gears on this?
No, I didn't.
Why are they down?
Well, hopefully it doesn't move right. Don't click on the gas right away, now, man.
Well,
To your Camaro now.
so at least, as long as he hits the brake.
Yeah, I time.
Oh, it is leaking fluid on there.
What happened?
It's
Where?
come over here. That little thing right here, the fuel thing.
What's that? Is that bad or good?
It's not good.
Is there
because
something?
it's using
It
a lot
might
of
need
fuel.
gas.
No, please don't do this out of 4-barrel.
Boom! Bring me the gas.
Gas tank system.
Check this out over here.
It's covered with the bag, so you might want to.
This is right. This is where the gas tank is at on this one. Kind of weird, huh?
No. No? I don't think so.
It's kind of hard to get to all the way down there.
Yeah.
Dude, we just found 2 of those. Try them on.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Go get one.
The Chevelles will not probably fit, though.
That means there were some that were like not Chevelle.
Oh, you somehow made that in. You're gonna make everything and finish everything. Well, I wouldn't do that. You're not gonna drive this car, are you? I thought you can drive that one.
It's not gonna fill up the tank, guy. Just enough to start it up maybe in a couple of days again. I'm just gonna start it up real quick, just to get it.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Where's it at the point?
Yeah, go find it. Keys for what?
It's in the trunk.
Hold on, what do you need the keys for? So
You don't
then
need the
close it back?
keys. You put the stuff in the trunk of the Chevelle. Why? I thought we had them in the passenger seat.
Because, dummy, you don't want to do it.
What?
On. By the time the gas goes all the way up there. Oh.
Now your car is louder than this one.
Oh, okay, good thing.
What? Let's do the thing I didn't want to do.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
And it's a 4-barrel, huh?
Yeah.
You're gonna turn yours on, Julian?
I
Yeah.
think you should put a
So-
lot.
You got your keys, Julian?
Yeah. And what's leaking right there?
Where at?
Right there.
Ah, that's the gasolina. That's
Is
why I
it?
didn't want to turn it on.
Yeah. And it's leaking bad. Really bad. I don't think you should do that.
No?
No, because what if a spark?
There's a water hose over there.
You could grab the water hoses in. Grab the water hose. Grab the water hose.
I will, I think.
I'm scared of the sun right here, but screw it.
That's what I like about it. Yeah, we're gonna turn it out, isn't it?
Not bad, actually.
I want to hear this song.
3 years ago without using this car. Like nothing. Nice. Back again. I didn't even step out here. Go ahead, car.
Oh, that's alright.
You want to hear the real sound? Open up yours.
Alright, here's John Nick's car.
There we go.
Nobody gets a sign.
There you go. Okay. Oh my. I like that one.
Better
Nice.
conditions.
This is a big problem right here, look. You see? Hay que arreglarle ese pedo porque es un pinche bomba de gasolina ahí, una explosión. Look at this carburetor. This car's never being used. Oh, wait, look at this. Like nothing, huh? Just keep it funny. Good job.
That's a weak sauce car.
happened over here?
It's done.
Okay, good thing.
I just wanted to start them up.
So for your, you know, so you can fix it later. Yeah, that's major.
That's not cool. But legit.
Move, please.
How you like them apples? You like the blue one? You like the red one? Or you
Or
like the
that
other blue
one in the
I
back.
like both of them blues. I like the blues. Nice.
That thing sounds louder.
Or do you like the white one back
How do you
there?
like this one? This sound or that sound?
For me? Or what?
Both. They're all nice, legit.
Yeah.
Legitness.
Yep,
How do you like that one? How do you like first dad? Might not be the first dad, but at least for you all. For my boys.
Thanks.
We got this thing running.
Yep.
You know? Thanks for the gift.
Oh, you're welcome.
Welcome.
Cleaning the car
That was
for
a
you.
Father's Day from my sons right here.
Except for
Father's Day
this kid
battery.
right here because he was playing Fortnite all day. At least I did something.
I think I want to start up
Clean the whole
Chevelle one more
car.
time. No. Bad idea.
What?
Mama's mad.
Oh yeah, she wants to.
Yeah.
I think we're done. Oh, dude, I dropped the.
Oh, nice going. Yep.
Don't kill it yet.
Oh, of course not. Gotta see the struggles.
I'm just gonna unhook the battery and leave it here for a minute until further noise.
Let's just memorize this motor.
Did you just leave some off?
This car, look, dude, it's never been used. Did you pay attention to the Chevelle? It's not even full of oil either.
No, it wasn't full.
It wasn't bad like.
I'm going the inside. Look at it.
Tell your mom that if she wants to turn it on now, or
It's ours, man?
she may.
Salute. Yeah.
Take a look over here on the front now. Sebastian,
Wait.
even though this car is hecka dirty,
Well,
it's still nice.
oh, you could hear the raginess.
I know, I can hear that.
Look, did you already look at the inside, Sebastian?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open up the back.
Yeah. So you can
Big
hear
old
the,
steering wheel.
yeah, it's a school bus steering wheel. Oof.
The classic interior.
Oh, I know.
It's not even hot in there,
I
but
walked in there a while back. I know it wasn't that hot.
I think I'm gonna have to take off the battery. This one?
Hey.
I watched this and it was hot. I walked in there like.
it's hotter out here than in there.
And no more seats.
Need to get the tires. Show them the tires of the Chevelle.
Okay.
Or we need to get pumped up.
I'll leave it over here.
What the fuck are you recording the floor?
No. Recording Redskins. Move them in.
Hey, Baldy.
Best part of the car. The back.
And
And sides.
That worked out.
Man, open the door. It's smooth.
I believe you.
It goes in real nice.
Hey, how you doing? Look at the camera, man.
Nice. No struggle, Pop. This is what you need to finish well.
And that's pretty bad focus.
Boo. I'm just gonna put it back on and
And leave it.
here, look. Look at this.
You know what? Oh,
Dude, you probably know the keys better than I do, huh?
yep.
Sebastian?
Because there's only 3 of them. 4 or 5, maybe, but 3 of the same ones for this. Who wants this wiring? We don't need it. Steering wheel, we don't need it. These seat belts, whatever.
You got a whole bunch of chrome, my friend. Look at this. ¿Cómo va la canción? Huh? How do you like this one? The one from Grand Theft Auto?
Um,
Alright.
could what?
I need to figure out how to hold this.
What's it holding on the wheel?
I used to have it tied up like.
Ciao, Damien. Camera coming through. VIP.
Something here was.
Let me show the inside. You probably already did, but
It's all here. I know.
nice and clean now. Because of me.
You already have it plugged in.
Let me open the door. Where is this at? There it is.
Seb has them. Seb has them.
They don't go in there. They go once you close it.
Yeah, I know, but when it's on, when it's open.
Oh, then what if you forget? SS.
How did the SS right there fall off the grill?
Here.
News right here.
I think I'm done.
You done?
Yeah. Okay, I got you. This is Chulo and Chavi's episode 1. And boom, what a score. Oh, what a savage, huh? No way, Chavi. Whoa, he owns this car, huh?
It's the only thing louder.
So, Tim,
Yeah,
where's
I have him here. Yeah, I close it here.
Así es la cosa. That's the way it is. That's what my kids, they paid the battery for the car so that I could get it on. I say, it's okay. You know what? Well, they knew this was going to happen. Now I want to get it on the road. Okay, we'll see.
I knew it. Seen it from the corner of my eyeball, right, Chavi?
Not me. Where's it?
And we're done for today. Episode 1. Yeah, it technically is episode 1.
All right.
Now we gotta cover up this. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to cover up the belly. The only one I know is
Chulo loco. My yard is done. Se me acabó la yarda. That's okay. I just gotta water it, put some seed, get it ready for another party. There's always a party. Okay, nos vemos. Pretty hot today.
Sorry, what are you doing?
Getting ready to cover them back up. Pero cochinón. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hasta la otra vez. Maybe today, later on, or tomorrow, or next week. Late. Pinche vato bigotón.